I'm ready to start cooking. I have prepared the ingredients and everything I'm going to use to do Brazilian barbecue. It's very simple. People think it's a very complicated situation. You can do it at home. Very simple, easy. What I use here in the apartment is a metal plate. Okay, you can find this in the store for like probably $10. It's not very complicated. It's not very expensive, and it does a lot of miracles. And on top of it, of course, I'm gonna put the meat. We also are going to eat rice along with it. What I'm going to add to it, it will be nothing less than garlic. I'm not going to show the brand because we're not being sponsored by any of them. But if you are watching this, companies, you can always sponsor us. I'll be more than happy to show you brand. But this time, I'm not. So here it is. I'm gonna do garlic. I'm gonna do the what do you call this? The cayenne pepper. It's pepper, so we can have a little taste. This is my way. This is why you call the show my cooking style. So I'm gonna put some pepper to give a little taste, and also, of course, you saw Goya, but I'm not gonna say it's Goya. But it's the seasoning. So
just saying.
Exactly. So I'm just gonna put this. I'm gonna put this in on the meat and also in the rice. So I'm gonna continue cooking it. I'm gonna show you. Oh, and a very important thing: Brazilian barbecue always has to have salt. So you cannot do without salt because that's what's gonna give the taste. In Portuguese we call it sal grosso. I don't have sal grosso, but you can use any type of salt. It's just gonna require a little more than you usually use to compare to the quantity you put as sal grosso. But in fact, we're gonna put that on top of the meat right now. Also, I could also add up, if you like, you can also add onions, and you can add peppers. In this particular thing we're doing right now, it's not gonna have any of that because that will cook on by itself. As you can see, guys, the meat is already starting to cook, and it's starting to become colorful because the blood is coming out. Now we like it medium rare, but you can cook it however you want. You don't have to cook it in my way. That's why it's my cooking style. But the meat will be cooked medium rare. As you can see, it's still red inside. Bueno, se ve que cortáis, cocinó rico. Me corta un pedacito, no va a estar. Just probarlo. Está caliente, muy caliente. Está, mejor dicho. That's barbecue. Brazilian barbecue meat. So you guys, literally, I did my meat in literally 5 minutes because we're not gonna cook it overly cook it. It's still a little creamy, but that's how we like it. We like it medium rare.
Medium red.
And so it's basically cooked already. It looks great. That's how you do Brazilian barbecue. So now we're just gonna put our additional pepper stuff. This, you probably know this from the stores. I'm not gonna show you the brand either because we're not being sponsored by anybody, but you put this on top.
Mexican stuff.
It's Mexican stuff. But
You love it, right?
you put this on top and you're gonna love the way it is. So guys, thank you so much for another video. Thank you for watching us again. Tomorrow we're gonna post another video about how to do soup cream or cream soup, and also we're gonna teach you how to do the caldo verde. It's a Portuguese soup. You will love it if you follow my instructions. I think you're gonna make it. You're gonna nail it because Portuguese soup is amazing. So very soon we're gonna be traveling to Las Vegas. We're going to travel through the desert. We're gonna go to San Francisco, the Yosemite Park, and Los Angeles. So stay tuned because I have a lot of videos to look. It's gonna be an exciting time. So this rice is almost ready. I don't think I have to show you how to cook rice. Most of you know how to do that. Basically, I wanted to show you how I do my meat, and that's gonna go together just perfect. See you next time.